guys to another section with me where we'll be running our first design with Pixalab, the real design. So we'll be designing something special, something we actually designed and used it for an ad. So that is what we'll be designing now. I will show you how I made the design from scratch to finish. So what we are going to do first is we are going to bring in that which we want to design. Okay, we are going to bring in that which we want to design. So what we need to do is come to this plus sign here, and bring in that from your image. I want to bring it in because it is a picture. Okay, so let me look at it here. Let's bring in this. I'll click here, bring it down, make it bigger, then bring it down. Then I will edit this. I'll just click on edit. Wait, let me see what is written there. Learn how to. Okay, so I will clean this and type learn how to. Click OK, then drop it somewhere here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to be duplicating this to make it more easy for me. I'll just click on copy, bring it down. Then the next thing there is design. Take it up, duplicate it, bring it down. A 3D logo and flyer. A 3D logo and flyer. So I'll bring it here, duplicate it, bring it down, edit it. Sorry, let me check the word there. With your phone. With your phone. With your phone. Okay, it's just what we have there is with your. So click OK, take it up a bit, then you click copy, bring it down and put up phone like. Phone like. Phone like. I will copy it. I will edit this one. A pro. A pro. So let's work with this first. Okay, let me still put the down one in 2 days. I will duplicate it in 2 days. Edit in 2 days. So what we're going to do now is we will arrange these things now. So I need to arrange them. So the first one there is learn how to design a flyer. Then the second one is learn how to, followed by design. Then the third one is a 3D logo. A 3D logo with your phone. Like a pro. Then bring this pro down. So let's put some effects to all this. Number one is we need to change the character here now. And if you watch the front there, you see that it is not the same thing with the one we have down in this design. So we'll just click on it, come over here, come here. Where is the front? Okay, let me look for that character. Let's look for it. You can actually use any one of your choice. Okay, the one you think looks better for you, you can use it. So click OK. I will come here and reduce the front, reduce it, reduce it more. Let's put it to 30. Then this one now, we need to change the front as well. Let's look at the front there. Okay, that is the front. This is the front here. So take it up. We'll reduce the size. It is too big, so we'll reduce the size. Okay, so the next one now is like a pro. The next one is a 3D logo. So let's use this and reduce the size. Where are you? Okay, here is the size. I will reduce the size, reduce it. Okay, so let's work on this design first. If you watch this now, if you watch this very one, you see there is something under it. So we want to put up that now. So let's put this. So first let's put a 3D logo effect. We need to put an effect. then we put up that shadow. Then I have this color here because this was the same phone I used in designing this then. But if I don't have this color here, I can actually bring up this color from this very design. So I'll just click on it. Where is it? Where are you? Okay, you can just come here, click here, then click this place. I will click on this and get this exact color. So click OK. I can decide to increase it and I can decide to reduce it. So the next thing now is to work on these ones. Okay, I will need to, you see, while I was trying to do some things, the ones that I have done arranging scattered, they wanted to scatter. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to lock it up. So I'll just come here. Which one do I want to lock? Learn and how to design, and learn and design. So I want to lock that too. This is design here, this is learn here. Nothing will ever make that two now to shift. Look at it, I have locked it for life. Okay, except if I unlock it. So the next one now is width. So reduce the size. So firstly, let me change the font. I'll put it in area. So okay, I will just reduce the size. Bring it down a little bit. So also change the front. Let me change the front first. Okay, put it on area, and I will reduce the front size, the size. Okay, let me lock this up. And and this. So the next one now is a pro. Like a pro. So let's see the front first, okay? Let's look for the front. Okay, here it is. So we need to add up some effects to it. We need to add up some effects. So we click on it, move over to 3D. We need to add up some 3D effects to it. We turn it on, reduce it. So we need to put up color. Sorry, turn it on. Reduce it. I didn't save, so then come here, you need to put up that color. Just come here, get the color. Okay, I already have the color here, so let me just put it up. So put up this 3D effect now. So let it come from this side. So we are done editing this part now. So the next thing now is the 2 days. In 2 days, so we'll change the front, or we'll just leave it like that and reduce the color and reduce the size. Reduce it very well. We have to reduce it very well. If you watch there, as you see, it is very small. Okay, increase it a bit. Then let's change the front size, the front this now put area. So what I'm going to do is I will lock these things. So what I will do now is the next thing now is the fees, the class, and the DM. So I will edit it. Then fees. $1,000. I will edit this one to class. I need to edit this. Sorry, my phone is giving me issues. I just have to deliver this teaching today. My phone is giving me serious issue. So class, yeah, WhatsApp. And the next one is DM. To get started, 20 slots available. So DM to get started. $20 slots available. So here now this fees, okay. Okay, this two here is capital letter. So let me just edit. Tap here. This place that you can see TT. Click on it, it will change to capital letters. So this also, we edit it. Click on this TT. Let it change to capital letters. So So this one, so the next one is DM to get started. DM to get started. So what I will need to do now is to reduce the size. I don't want to change the character. My phone is giving me issue. I just need to deliver. So I will reduce the size. Let me reduce the size. Okay, the next one now is, let me lock it up first. I need to lock this up. Lock. Okay, the next thing now is the phone number and the people that powered this. So I will add up another one, the phone number. Let's put our phone number. And I will duplicate it, bring this one down, then this one, powered by Kizzy Computer World. Powered by Kizzy Computer World. Yeah, so let's lock it. We are locking everything to avoid it scattering. So the next thing we need to do now is we need to bring in this image. We need to bring in the image, make it dark, and then bring in these three images, and we are done with this. Okay, so first I need to make this particular one. I don't want to see it again till I will put it back. So let's bring in that image. This is the image here. Put it one by one. I will reduce it to here and click OK. Then make it large. if you watch this now, you see that it covered everything that we've done. So what we need to do now is to send it to back. So we'll just come here, carry it from here and bring it down. So let's lock it. Here it is now. But if you watch our own, if you watch this now, let me bring it back. If you watch this now, you see that this is dark. It is not as bright as this. Our own is too bright, while this one we used is very dark. So what do we do now? Here now the opacity works. The opacity I told you of while we were on the introduction part of this app. So what we need to do now is that we need to bring in a shape. Let's bring in a shape. Where are you? Okay. Where are you? Shape. The shape should be somewhere here. Where you can run go now. Okay. There are many ways to kill a rat. So let's bring it in from this side, from the upside. Let's bring it in from here. So here now is the shape. We'll make it large. Make it large. Make it cover the whole page. So here now is the shape. We need to put a black color. So with the opacity, we need to reduce the opacity now to make it look fainty. First, we need to send this down. Okay, we need to send it down. Okay, here, this is the place where it's supposed to be. So what we need to do now is we need to add that effect to make it look more fainty. So here now opacity comes in. So we reduce it. Reduce it the more. Are you seeing the magic? Okay, let's reduce it a bit. So here now is that. So we'll lock them. Let's lock them. Let's make sure that everything is locked. Okay, everything is locked. So we need to bring in another thing. Let's see. Okay, we need to bring in these three shapes. So So let's bring in that shape, those images from gallery. Look at one, make it circle. So we drop this here. Go get the second one. From gallery. Okay. Circle. We bring it down. Then we'll go get the last one. Here is the last one. So let's remove this. So let's remove this. So we reduce this, bring it down here, reduce this. Bring it down here and reduce this. Keep it up here. So the next thing now is to put those effects. Let's see. Okay, next thing now is to put all these effects. I'll just come here. I'll go to my 3D effects. So I have added the effect. All I need to do now is to go and add the stroke. Then reduce the size of the stroke. So I will do the same thing to this. Go to my shadow. I will enable it. give it a color. Come here, reduce it. Give it a color. I'll click OK and go back now to stroke. I will need to add little stroke to it. So to this one, I'll just add only stroke. Then increase it. So with this now, I can tell you that we are done designing this. Okay, look at the exact design you saw online. Okay, we need to correct something. A pro. Okay, let's unlock it and bring it down. Okay, then let's unlock in 2 days. Where is you? Okay, 2 days. So we lock them back again. Lock, lock, lock. Lock, lock, and lock. So with this now, we are done designing that. So the next thing now is that we have to group all of them together. There's one thing about grouping. Once you have grouped, you cannot edit them again. Okay, so before you group, make sure that you are done with your work. I advise my students that before they group their work on Pixalab, let them first save it. They need to save it first. Save it as a project. Give it a name. Let's say first design. First design. Click done and save. So now I can group it together. I can just group. Once you have grouped, you cannot ungroup. So before you group anything, make sure you are done. Go through it, save it first, so that if there is any mistake, you can edit it from the one you saved, then you can group it. It will ask you, are you sure you want to merge these selected objects? You click OK. Right away, it has been merged. There is no way to edit this again. So now I'm going to save it as a picture. I'm going to save it as a JPEG image. So the one you will be sending in is the one you saved as an image. Okay, send that one. And while doing your own, do not put powered by Kizzy word, put powered by you, so we can be able to differentiate the one you did from the one we did. Okay, so I'll just save as image. Save as image. I'll say save to gallery. So image saved. So this is all for the class. See you in an